Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is a tongue twister from the world of medicine. Anaesthetist. It's pronounced a-knees-thuh-tist. Let's break it down. First, like the start of umbrella. Then knees, rhyming with knees. Finally, thuh-tist, soft and quick, like therapist without the rap. Now say it with me. A-knees-thuh-tist. One more time. A-knees-thuh-tist. An anaesthetist is a medical professional who gives anesthesia to patients before surgery to prevent pain. Now say it with me, a-knees-thuh-tist. For example, the anaesthetist made sure I was completely asleep during the operation. Spelling tip. In British English, it has that tricky AE combo. In American English, it's simplified to anaesthetist, no AE. Now you can pronounce anaesthetist like a pro, no numbing needed. Like, subscribe, and share this with your science-loving friends. See you next time on Say It Right. Take care.